Okay, so we continue. 1 second. We started today a new chapter. And the topic is how to fulfill the mitzvah of tzedakah. Introduction. In the fulfillment of mitzvah of tzedakah, there are different levels as well as varying methods. The Rambam categorized the mitzvah in the 8 levels, ma'alos, arranged in a descending order of priority. In this chapter, we will first present Rambam's 8 levels, and then elaborate on other aspects of giving tzedakah. So, as we always say, like there are the different priorities, the different levels, and now everything is going to come into perspective, and we're going to explain each level. And of course, there are exceptions depending on individuals' circumstances, right? So very, very interesting. Okay, so Rambam 8 levels. First level, you shall strengthen him. The highest level of tzedakah is for one to make it possible for the indigent not to need the help of others. For example, by giving poor person a gift or a loan, or finding him a job or in your business or other employments. This level is achieved. So before we continue, so the highest level of tzedakah is not actually to give money. As I know one person, he's very good in writing resume. He's very friendly. He's he works in a sales force. A very talkative person, Baruch Hashem, Jewish person, right? So he always tried to help other people to get jobs, and he's very, very passionate. And sometimes he complains to me, look, he said, I did so much for this guy. I set up interview, and this guy did not even call. So that's it's very, very sad. I mean, he's a very nice person, but it's actually the highest level of tzedakah, to help somebody to be self-efficient, right? Not to need the tzedakah. Right, an example that he giving poor a gift. So gift is not like a gift and he's going to need another gift, I don't know, 2 months later. Gift means that with this gift, some substantial amount of money, he can start something, right? He can start his own business, let's say. Or, for example, today he can go and get some education, some technical school, get some certification. I don't know, be in IT, in in plumbing, in electric. I don't know, it's something. Right? So today there are so different, so many different certifications, and sometimes you need a few $1,000s. That's what you need. Maybe he has time, but he does not have money to pay for that, and it's this career is very needed on the market. So they're okay. So that's the gift we were talking about, not gift that just a gift. Okay, or a loan. Okay, so a loan is, as we said before, a loan is less embarrassing for a person. Right, it's better to take a loan, so than to take charity. Okay, or finding him a job, right, or in your business or other employment. So okay, so that's the biggest, again, according to Rambam, to help him be self-sufficient. Ideally, this action should be taken prior to once reaching the point of poverty. So when people are his landlord already evicting him, that's too late, and he needs a place to live, right? So you have to, as soon as possible, as the Torah says, as you see that your brother's hand is faltering. What was the language? Oh, it's not here. Okay, so some like that. So you have to run and help him to strengthen himself, strengthen him. Okay, however, one can certainly fulfill this level of tzedakah even after the stage of the poverty have reached, right? So, I mean, if it's too late, it's not too late. If you can help at that point, so meaning like give him a job or something, that's okay, still a very high level. By giving tzedakah in this manner, one fulfills the mitzvah of helping the stranded one in need. Okay. So your tzedakah in this case, it could be your skills, right? That you help that person with a resume, with a cover letter, with I don't know, with a research. So that person that I'm talking about. So he would do research about the company. So he's in a sales force. So he knows exactly like how to do that. Because he always speaks to new customers, so he has to make a research. Who's the president? What did they do? How much revenue was last year? This year? What product they sell and stuff like that, right? So and when you go to job interview, they like it very much. So that you're not only like interested in being paid, but you actually have a question. And how is this product that you started last March? Oh, you heard about Opera? Yeah, I heard. Yeah, a lot. Very interesting. You just read 2 lines on the internet. You understand? But you already have like much bigger potential to get this job. Okay, continue. So all of these skills, what I'm trying to say, it's also actually tzedakah. It's not only money. So if you need the money, if a person needs to suit to go to interview, yeah, so buy him a suit or some shoes, whatever you need to do. But this is also tzedakah. In general, anything that would allow individual to be self-sufficient would fall into this category. Period. That's it. So that's the highest category to make this person independent, right? So self-sufficient. Okay. Similarly, purchasing an item for an indigent is considered to be in this category, right? So whatever, apologies. Similarly, purchasing the item from an indigent is considered to be in this category. So he sells chairs, and you know these chairs are very, very dangerous to sit on. Okay, so you buy this chair. I don't know. You don't sit on that chair, but for him it's a big deal, right? So it's like you're trying to support him. Okay, so it's 100% tzedakah. Continue. The mitzvah, this mitzvah, not only applies to one who helps one who is lacking, it even applies to one who is not lacking. And you support him by ensuring that his parnasa is livelihood, through your patronage. By purchasing from a Jew, from Jewish instead of non-Jew, one fulfills the mitzvah of right on this mitzvah, like to strengthen himself. One should ask Rav how much more he is required to pay for item in a Jewish store. Okay. One also fulfills this level by allowing an indigent to pay back a loan a little at a time, thereby enabling him not to have to borrow again. So let's look at these other examples. So first we say try to make him self-sufficient. Another example, he said even if he's not lacking, but he's trying to survive and in the business. And today when so many things sold on the internet, so I know another person. I actually learned with him. So he always goes to buy these books from a local guy. So there is a local guy in his town, Jewish town, and he buys the books from him. I buy everything on internet. I mean, I don't have like a bookstore next to me. I mean, there is like 10 minutes drive, but there is never ever parking there. So so it's much cheaper to just to order from internet. I mean, same money. It's not cheaper. It's like exactly the same money, but no hassle. But this person, he specifically goes to this guy, right, to this Jewish guy, and he always said, no, I'm going to go to to buy from him to give him parnasa. So of course, I mean, how much person makes on the book? I don't know, $5, $3. I don't know, not a lot, but for him, just I mean, like people come and buy, so he feels supported. Very interesting. Okay. Right, so meaning it's a bookstore, Jewish bookstore, but like even to go to the grocery or something, that you know that a Jew owes this some store, so it's better to buy it from him than to buy it from a non-Jew. But again, so if it's the same price, right, of course you must go to a Jew. And if it's like 1/6 up to 1/6 higher, then Jew has prices up to 1/6, it's 17% or so, right, higher. So you're obligated to go to a Jew, right? If it's the same product, right? If it's more than that, so you're not obligated, but they say like up to 20 something percent, like it's proper to go to give him parnasa. But if they carry different products and products by a Jew, like a fresher, let's say fresher tomatoes, and a better quality, I don't know, whatever, better produce, so you're not obligated to buy from a Jew. But it's proper to support a Jew, of course. Okay. And another last one, right? Like scenario in this list was one also fulfilled this level, meaning all this the highest level. So it's not you're not humiliate anybody. You don't give them any money. Like they trying to survive. They're trying to work. They're trying to do their best, right? One also fulfilled this level by allowing an indigent to pay back the loan little at a time. So now, like, I mean, for you, maybe he owes you $5,000. He pays you $50. Okay, he's going to be paying you like a month, right? He's going to pay for a very long time. All right. So, right. Okay, but what can you do, right? So give him time. Don't pressure him. So it's going to be this level of tzedakah, level 1. Okay.